If you are a beginner and don't know or own tons of makeup tools or don't know how to blend your eyeshadows, then let me show you how to create this very seamless soft eye makeup look without using any tools or complicated eyeshadow blending techniques. So if you're ready, let's begin.
I'm starting out by priming my lids with the Pack Takeover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and I'm setting it with new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. To get those dramatic straight edges, I'm using a sticky tape.
For demonstration purposes, I'm using the Swiss Beauty Swipe and Shimmer Dual Ended Eyeshadow Stick. This is a cream eyeshadow. I've chosen a cream eyeshadow because cream eyeshadows are more forgiving and easier to blend than powder eyeshadows. You can even use a lipstick with a cream formulation if you don't wish to buy a cream eyeshadow. Taking this brown matte shade, I'll swipe it a couple of times in my outer corner like so. Next, taking the shimmery champagne shade, I'll swipe it a little bit above the matte brown eyeshadow I used in my outer corner. Then taking my index finger, I'll start to dab on the eyeshadow to blend them, and don't worry about making a mess because the tape we have applied is gonna take care of that. Now when I take off the tape, you'll see a flawless soft blended eyeshadow in my outer corner. For my lower lash line, I'm again swiping the matte brown eyeshadow a couple of times and then blending it with my finger by pushing the eyeshadow forward. Very quickly, I'll be cleaning up underneath my eye and also be cleaning up the edges of my eyeshadow using a concealer. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'll be again taking the shimmery champagne side of the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow stick and then blend it using my fingers. To finish up, I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara by L'Oreal. For falsies, I'll only be using the inner half of the lashes in my outer corner, and this one's Classic Girl by Mars. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there, and if you want to watch more eye makeup hacks like these, then do let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to create some for you guys. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.